My beloved child, as you navigate through life's challenges, remember that every setback is merely a stepping stone, not a destination. The winding road may seem daunting at times, filled with obstacles that threaten to discourage you. However, each hurdle is an opportunity for growth, a chance to refine your strengths and develop resilience. Much like a seed buried deep in soil, you must endure darkness before blossoming into the vibrant bloom you are destined to be. In the face of adversity, keep your heart open and your spirit strong. Life may throw unexpected storms your way, but trust in the process. The moments that feel heavy with disappointment are often the ones that forge your character. Embrace these times knowing they are sculpting your journey. Picture yourself as a phoenix rising from the ashes, stronger and more radiant than before. Each experience is adding depth and wisdom, paving the path towards the incredible triumphs that await you. As you continue this journey, never lose sight of your dreams. Like stars in the night sky, they flicker and shimmer with promise, waiting for you to reach out and grasp them. Let hope illuminate your path, guiding you deeper into your aspirations. Surround yourself with love and positivity, as these are the threads that will weave the fabric of your success. Listen to your heart, for it knows the way, and trust that all efforts made will lead you to your rightful place. In every fumble, there lies a lesson waiting to be uncovered. Your victories are not solely defined by outcomes, but by the courage embedded in your attempts. Even in moments of failure, there is beauty. Beauty in trying, beauty in perseverance. Let each stumble refine your determination. Let them become mere anecdotes in the grand story of your life. You are destined for greatness, and every setback is merely a plot twist in your inspiring narrative. So, my dear child, face the world with unwavering faith. Hold your head high, knowing that you are a warrior preparing for a glorious comeback. Your journey may have its ups and downs, but trust in your own power, for your victory is nearer than you think. Remember, with each dawn there is a new beginning. Let today be the day you rise, stronger, wiser, and ready to conquer. Your triumph is on the horizon. Just keep believing, and it will be yours. Support the mission of love and hope. Join us in spreading Jesus' teachings and uplifting lives by contributing just $25. Your donation helps provide resources, community support, and spiritual guidance to those in need. Type Amen if you believe in God.